Love hath its throne within my lady's eyes, by Dante Alighieri. Read for LibriVox.org by Caveat. Love hath his throne within my lady's eyes, whence all she looks on wears his gracious mien. All turn to gaze when she abroad is seen, and whom she greets from him his colour flies. With downward gaze he stands abashed and sighs, remembering all his own unworthy blames. Anger and pride before her fly. Ye dames, lend me your aid her matchless worth to prize. All gentleness, all thoughts serene and meek, grow in the heart of him that hears her voice. To see her once is ever to rejoice. Her look, when a faint smile is on her cheek, nor tongue can tell, nor memory hold in view, so winning gracious is the sight and new. End of poem.